In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix too many failed attempts while creating a Yahoo email account. If you're seeing that error while signing up, it often means your browser has stored cookies and cached data that make Yahoo think there have been repeated sign-in tries. Clearing that data in Google Chrome usually resets things so you can start fresh. I'll walk you through it clearly and safely. First, open Google Chrome. Look to the upper right corner of the browser window and click the three dots to open the main menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its controls and settings. From that menu, choose Settings. Don't worry if your screen looks slightly different. The options we need will be in the same general place. Inside Settings, glance at the left-hand sidebar and click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome manages data that websites save on your device, including the cookies and cached files that can trigger the too many attempts message. Next, click Clear Browsing Data. A panel will pop up. At the top, switch to the Advanced section. Depending on your version of Chrome, it may be labeled More. This view gives you fuller control over what gets cleared. For this fix, set the time range to all time. Choosing all time removes the old signup and login traces that could be causing the lockout. You'll see a list of items like browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. The default selections are usually fine. Cookies and cached files are the key pieces here because they store session information that can trigger automatic blocks. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so make sure you know your logins or have them synced before proceeding. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Chrome will work for a moment as it removes the stored information. If you have a lot of data, this may take a little longer. Just let it finish. That's it for the cleanup. This process gives you a clean slate, which often clears the too many failed attempts error during Yahoo account creation. If you still see the message afterward, it may be a rate limit on Yahoo's side. Give it some time and try again later and avoid rapid repeated submissions. Also ensure the information you enter is accurate on the first try to prevent new lockouts. You now know how to reset Chrome's stored data so you can move forward with creating your Yahoo email account smoothly. Thanks for watching and good luck with your setup.